Before we proceed in this tutorial, and if you are new here and wanted to learn something new, please consider subscribing to my channel and turn on the notification bell to keep you updated on my future tutorials about the Java programming language. In this tutorial, you will know how to fix the JavaFX error failed to automatically set up a JavaFX platform. Open your browser and go to azul.com. Download your preferred OpenJDK. STS means short-term support, medium-term support, and long-term support. You can choose any Java version you want, operating system, architecture, and the Java package. In the Java package, you must choose the JDKFX. Go ahead and download that. I don't need to download it because I already have one. Open your NetBeans and click on Tools and navigate to Java Platforms. That's it. You can now create a new JavaFX project without error. There's an error. I should rename the application. I see, I renamed the project name, not the Java class. That's it for today. I hope you have learned something new in this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. See you on the next video.